1953, in celebration of the Korean Golden Jubilee, I participated in a dance festival choreographed by Halla Huhm. This vintage footage, taken at the Honolulu Academy of Arts by my father, features court dances rarely seen today. And in an unusual performance, Halla Huhm herself portrays the lament of a wandering drummer who is weary of roaming and is hungry and cold. Today, Halla Hum's name is synonymous with Korean dance and culture in Hawaii, and her work is carried on by her longtime student and assistant, Mary Jo Freshley. This blue-eyed harmony, as she is affectionately called, keeps alive the memory and the teachings of Halla Huhm.
So, Mary Jo, what is the name of the dance that you're going to be teaching me?
It's called Puche Chum. Puche means fan, and chum is the Korean word for dance, so it's fan dance.
And how modern or old is this style of dancing with the fan?
Fans have been used in many dances over the years, but the popularity of the fan dance, as we know it today, probably started with a dancer who is still living. I think she's in her early 70s, by the name of Kim Bek-bong. And so she's the one, I think, that really brought this to its current popularity as a folk dance form.
And how many years have you been studying this style?
I started with Halla Huhm in 1962 at the University of Hawaii, and I've never stopped.
So seeing as how you have a few years on me, I'm thanking you in advance for your patience in this lesson. So I would imagine we would start with something like opening and closing.
Yeah, that's usually a good way to start, because that's probably one of the more difficult things to master. So basically your thumb and your index finger are the parts that hold the fan. And when you want to open it, you cock your wrist and just sort of throw it, and then the fingers can secure it. To close, reverse, let the fingers away, and that's it. So open, close, open, and close. That's it. Use your wrist. Open, wrist. There you go. Let go. That's it. Open, close. Okay, we're going to open up at the high level, and when we do this, open toward your head, not out toward the front. So let's try both hands, in toward your head, like a picture frame. So we're going to open, and as soon as you open, touch against your arm. That's it. And then to close, again, reverse. Yeah. Open, that's it, and close. One more time. Open, okay, and close. Okay, next one, open, put your arms up a little bit, so you're making picture frame and close. Okay, good, once more.
While learning to dance properly takes years of training, my daughter Laura also tries her hand at drumming, taught by members of the world-famous Domonori group.
Yeah!